So there's another election coming up in about 18 months, and you must expect that more of your property will be taken in exchange for green preferences. This mob need those preferences to maintain political power, and they will do anything to ensure that they keep it. The Vegetation Management Act's also been amended this year quite significantly to remove rights of appeal against things like compliance notices. They're now subject to internal review, which means you get some shoddy document from the Department of Natural Resources, and in order to straighten it up you've got to send it back to them. They've removed that initial right of appeal to the court, perhaps because they lost an appeal very badly a year or two ago and their chief executive was found in contempt of court. I don't know whether that had anything to do with the retrospective amendments, but anyway, we have them. Now, the investigations and prosecutions are continuing all over the state. Fines being imposed by the courts have taken a large increase recently, with fines exceeding $100,000 being dished out in about 4 instances this year and late last year. Conduct of the investigation officers has not improved. The blunt reality is that once you're charged with a tree clearing offence, you have to contend with the unlimited power of the state. That's just the way it is. We know that. We know it's wrong, but that's the reality you have to deal with. Instances where DERM officers have been found to have misled the court, or worse, individual landholders still have to use their own time and resources to make complaints and pursue the officers. The 28th of February 2008, Ray Hopper, during a debate in the Assembly, outlined the conduct of officers in Scott Simpson's case, and also tabled evidence that was admitted in that trial and the decision of the magistrate, where the magistrate found that the department had removed boundaries and manufactured maps for the purpose of the prosecution. And then it's up to individual landowners to meet the department in court, beat them in court, and then pursue officers who've committed on their face indictable offences. That's not the ideal situation, but that's the way it is.